What's up, guys? So welcome back. We have a build, as you guys see for a title. We have a nice little 125 build. And it's a 2002 Cr125. So today we're gonna probably just take like the gas tank and stuff off. It runs, but I mean, I took a few things off already, like the carburetor. I took that off. I took off the silencer because I forgot why I took off the silencer, but whatever. We're gonna get to it. I'm trying to talk as much in my videos. But when we start breaking things down, I'll tell you guys what's what. Subframe. So take the subframe and the gas tank. We'll put on that bike because that one's what. Yep. So I'll take that off. Take that gas tank and take that subframe and put it to the side. Let's take this thing apart. Let's go, guys. So, by the way, sorry for like the angle view if it's too close. I'm gonna get a tripod or something soon. It's a work in progress. Let's just drill it out. Bypass the easy way. So originally I was gonna take that bolt out and then take it out. I just took these two bolts out. the crazy stuff is taken apart. The main like stuff. For a subframe, going on the 201, wow, the 01, it will line up. Everything matches actually. So if you want the newer style plastics on your 01 or 2000, I'm not sure if it works for 2000, but I'm pretty sure because they're like the same frame. You just take the subframe of an 02 through 07 and a gas tank from 02 through 07, and all you gotta do is bolt it up to your 01, 2000. Hopefully, maybe they should work, and everything matches up perfectly. Bolts. So that's how you want your restyle kit. If you have an 01, if you want to find bypass, there you go. So a few things I've actually have seen with the the 02 is the radiators are for 01s. Oh no, it's actually. So yes, that's an 01 right here. Because if you look at mine's, my other one, if you look right in there a little bit. Sorry, focus not working with me right now. There, kind of ish. So that, I mean, whatever, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna start the whole warranty out. Everything in it was kind of was rebuilt, like brand new crank and everything. But I'm just gonna go through all. I want the bike to be fresh and just brand new from top to bottom. Yeah, let me sit down. I don't know why I'm getting up talking. I gotta sit down and talk, guys. So I'm probably not gonna make a video of me putting that stuff on the 02, 01, but I will upload to social media, which will be right here. So my Instagram, it'll be up there, and it shows. I'll make sure it shows that it lines up and everything perfectly. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I know it was a quick one. It'll get longer as we get into the motor. So yeah, I mean, guys, stay tuned. I'm not trying to talk too much. I'm trying to actually make these quick and short for you guys. So hey, thanks guys for subscribing to my channel. The last video for the day one back on the bike got, I think it was like 7,000 views. So thank you guys, that was awesome. Let's see if we can keep it going. All right, so peace.